Have you ever wondered how AI can actually make your daily life easier, not just in sci-fi movies? Well, it's already happening. Think about your smartphone. When you unlock it with your face, that's AI. When your email automatically sorts out spam, that's AI too. And what about those super helpful navigation apps that find the fastest route and avoid traffic? Yep, you guessed it. AI is the magic behind that. It's even in your entertainment, recommending shows and music you'll probably love. From smart home assistants that play your favorite songs to apps that help you learn a new language. AI is quietly working in the background to make our lives more efficient and fun. It's not about robots taking over. It's about smart tools helping us out every single day. What's your favorite way to use AI? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.